Today, we're going to see how you can use the Llama 2 model by Meta for text generation in your workflows. This can be an alternative for other popular text generation models like OpenAI or Palm. The Llama text generator node works by generating text based on the prompts, just like the OpenAI text generator node. This can be used as a fallback to OpenAI text generation node to avoid cases when OpenAI was down for a long period of time, or as a way to generate text from multiple models using a branch node to see which one is better for your use case. So BuildShip comes with the Replicate Llama text generator node built in, which means you can add it by looking it up under Replicate and add it to your workflow right away. So as you can see, we've got a couple of values we need to put into our node in order for it to work. Let's open up the information bubble here so we can take a look. So this generates text based on a provided prompt and system prompt. The first one here is our API key. Then we've got our prompt to send to Llama 2. Then we've got the system prompt, which is kind of a preamble sent in order to modify that behavior. Then we've got the max new tokens. Typically, by default, we've got 128. Let's put that in right away. Minimum new tokens, which is by default -1. Then the temperature, which by default we can set to be 0.75. Then our top P, which by default we'll set to be 0.9. And our top K, which we'll set to be 50 by default. Now, let's put in our API key, which we can get from the editor in our secrets. Now, I've already got a replicate key here, but if you want to add your own, all you got to do is click on Add Secret. Just click on that. All done. Now, the system prompt will be reply to the message in a friendly manner, and the prompt will come from a query parameter. So we'll get that from our editor in our variables here under query parameters dot message. And that's it. Now the return value will actually set here in the return node. So that's a 200 status. And the value is going to come from our replicate Llama text generator. And that's it. We are good to go and to use our Llama 2 text generation. But as you can see, this is just a starting point. Expand this any way you like to build your ideas with a powerful backend. See you in the next video.